This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Turn your Samsung phone off before you start cleaning. Powering down prevents accidental taps and protects internal components from moisture. Remove the case and any accessories first. You will need a clean microfiber cloth and 70% isopropyl alcohol. Do not spray directly on the phone. Instead, apply a small amount to the cloth. Keep sprays or liquids at least 5 inches away from the device during application. Hold the phone on a stable surface before you clean the sensor area. Lightly dampen the microfiber cloth with 70% isopropyl alcohol. Gently wipe the sensor and surrounding screen in small circular motions without pressing hard. Use a dry corner of the cloth to finish and remove streaks. Use a cotton swab for edges and small crevices near the sensor. Avoid letting liquid enter ports or seams, and wait 15 seconds. Protect the sensor by installing a quality screen protector or tempered glass. These layers reduce grease transfer and make cleaning easier. Wash your hands before using the phone to minimize oils on the sensor. Avoid applying lotions right before unlocking the device. Re-register fingerprints every 3 months to maintain accuracy and adapt to skin changes. If the sensor still underperforms, try recalibrating or use alternate unlock methods like PIN or facial recognition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.